When was the last time you were bored? For more than 2 minutes, really. If the answer is in your recent past, then you may be onto something. Hi, I'm Dr. Beardsley with Blocks of Health, and I want to talk about how boredom can actually benefit your health. So I came across this recently, exchanging some info and some strategies, actually parenting strategies with a colleague about how to help engage and support our kids, really. And I came across a lot of research supporting boredom and giving your child space to be by themselves, right? So beyond that, I started translating that, applying that to my life and my clients' lives to see if that could be beneficial to grown-ups as well. And there is a ton of supportive evidence behind how boredom can be beneficial. So one quote that also comes to mind that I wanted to preface with is from Blaise Pascal, the French mathematician and scientist. And he was quoted saying, "All men's miseries derive from not being able to sit in a quiet room alone." So that is a pretty powerful statement. And a lot of us, nowadays, a lot of people struggle with being not only in solitude, but just without any external stimulus. There's some that say there's an addiction to not only the external stimulus, but really a fear, an addiction to not be bored. Yeah. So that is, that's plaguing our society. And yes, we have this incredible connectedness to, anyone across the globe, which is pretty amazing, but it's really distancing people from themselves. So what does boredom provide? Boredom provides the ability to become and develop your creativity, your imagination. It enhances satisfaction overall because you're able to really reflect and be. And what I like to discuss is it really taps into or allows you to tap into your intuition. We encourage with Blocks of Health a lot of self-help strategies and knowing yourself, knowing when and what and how, to do things for yourself. And a lot of people want to know how to go about that. And it's all about, awareness and knowing yourself. So being able to be in solitude and eliminate external stimuli and be with yourself will let you know yourself, right? So what are some strategies to increase the boredom in your life? And that sounds so counterintuitive, something that we don't want because we feel unproductive, but it can be a very productive activity. Truly, meditation is all about that. It's about sitting and being in, quiet solitude for a period of anywhere from 10 minutes to 60 minutes. Journaling, going outside and sitting in a hammock, taking a walk, anything that is just removing yourself from being plugged into your environment and just being with you. So how does that benefit your health? It allows for you to know yourself better so that you can then make the changes that you need to make, or at least tap into those and start seeking out answers to those questions that you wouldn't have been able to do otherwise. This can also help on so many different levels, be it mental, emotional, physical, etc. But just that very basic self-knowing can be very powerful. So I encourage you, get some boredom in your life. Say that's doctor's orders and see how that benefits you overall. If you like what you hear, please subscribe to our channel. Check us out on iTunes. We have a podcast. Engage with us on social media. We love any questions, comments, any topics that you'd love to hear about. And thanks for listening.